Hi bestie, this is step by step of how to make this beautiful waist nashi kaftan gown. Kindly watch till the end, like, comment and subscribe. This is Ankara and the plain material I used. I have to measure it, cut it out here, both the front and the back. And I take my normal measurement, that's 36 plus some inches for the the sleeve. No, it is, we are continuing together with the back, so plus 6 inches, and my hip line here is 24, so I have to add some inches for the sewing allowance. So the chest line, my waistline, and my hip line. So the next thing is to come to the neckline. I will come down by 1 inches, and the side will be 3.5 because I don't want it to be too wide, and the shoulder slope is, I will come down by 1 inches, and my sleeve, my round sleeve will be 9 inches. That into 2 make it 80 inches. So I have to trace them out. So I will have to measure my normal body shape. You can see 9 plus 2 inches. I want it to be too big like that, so I have to shape them out. I'm sorry for my camera that it doesn't cover everything, so I have to cut them out. Just cut according to what we have already marked out. So the next thing is for the plain material, I have to come marking 2 inches all through. After my all through, I have to shape it down a bit in a V shape to make our neck come out in a nice way. I've joined the shoulders together, and this is the plain material I'm going to use for the plain side. So I've joined it behind the seam, and I'll give it a good iron. I've already pressed it very well. You can see it on in my hand like that. So the next thing is to notch the middle, that's the center, so it will be able to align with the center of the Ankara also. So after then, I have to join them all around. You can see the way I place it. So that's the next thing. Join them. This is the length I want to use for the gathers. Join them, add the sleeve, join the sleeve and the inner belt also. So this is the outcome after joining both sides like that. Yes, you can see the look it's giving already. Yeah. So this is the Ankara for the gathers. So yeah, this is the beautiful outcome. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and see you in our next video.